Welcome back, explorers. Today we're venturing into the world's most extreme places, the deserts. Imagine endless sand, scorching sun, and barely a drop of water. Could you survive? For some animals, this is just daily life. They don't just survive, they thrive. These creatures have developed mind-blowing ways to beat the heat, the cold, and the thirst. Get ready to discover their secrets, how they find food, stay cool, and protect themselves in the harshest environments on Earth. Let's dive into the desert and meet the ultimate animal survivors. Ready? Let's go! First up, let's meet the iconic camel, the true ship of the desert, a creature that has fascinated humans for thousands of years. Camels have been our companions, our transport, and our lifeline in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their story is one of incredible adaptation and survival. You might think camels store water in their humps, but it's actually fat, an energy reserve for tough times. This fat can be broken down into both energy and water, helping camels survive when food and water are scarce. Their humps are like portable pantries, allowing them to travel for days, even weeks, without eating much. As they use up the fat, their humps shrink and can even flop over, a clear sign that the camel is drawing on its reserves. When food becomes available again, the hump fills back up, standing tall and proud once more. It's a visible indicator of the camel's health and resilience. Camels are built for sandstorms. Long double rows of eyelashes shield their eyes from blowing sand, and they can close their nostrils tightly to keep out dust. Their bushy eyebrows and thick fur around the face offer extra protection, making them perfectly equipped to handle the harshest desert winds. Their thick, leathery lips let them eat thorny plants that other animals avoid. Camels can munch on dry, tough, and even salty vegetation, turning what seems inedible into fuel. This unique diet means they can survive where few other animals can, making the most of the sparse desert flora. When they finally find water, camels can gulp down over 100 liters in just a few minutes, storing it efficiently to last for weeks. Their bodies are masters at conserving moisture, losing very little to sweat or urine, and making every drop count in the relentless desert heat. Their wide, flat feet act like natural sand shoes, spreading their weight so they don't sink into the soft dunes. This allows them to travel long distances across shifting sands, carrying heavy loads for traders and nomads alike. Camels' thick fur insulates them from both the blazing sun during the day and the freezing cold at night. Their coats reflect sunlight and trap warmth, keeping their body temperature stable in a place where temperatures can swing wildly in just a few hours. They can let their body temperature rise by several degrees before they start to sweat, saving precious water. This unique ability means they don't lose moisture unnecessarily, a crucial adaptation for survival in the desert. Even their oval-shaped red blood cells help them survive dehydration. These cells can flow easily when water is scarce and expand when the camel drinks large amounts, preventing the blood from becoming too thick or too thin. Every part of the camel is designed for desert life, from their padded knees for kneeling on hot sand to their keen sense of direction, which helps them find water and shelter across vast, empty landscapes. They're not just survivors, they're perfectly adapted desert machines, able to carry people and goods across hundreds of miles, forging connections between distant cultures and civilizations. Next time you see a camel, remember, it's a marvel of evolution, a true desert warrior and a living symbol of endurance, adaptability, and the incredible power of nature to shape life in the harshest places on Earth. Now meet the fennec fox, the desert's tiny, big-eared marvel. Native to the vast, arid stretches of the Sahara, this little creature is a true wonder of adaptation. With its petite frame and enormous ears, the fennec fox stands out as one of the most iconic animals of the desert. But those huge ears? They're not just cute, they're built-in air conditioners, radiating heat to keep the fox cool. The blood vessels in their ears help release excess body heat, which is crucial for surviving the scorching daytime temperatures that can soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. These ears are a perfect example of how evolution shapes animals to thrive in extreme environments. At night, those ears become powerful listening devices, picking up the faintest sounds of movement beneath the sand. This superhearing helps the fennec fox locate insects, small rodents, and even lizards hiding underground. Their acute sense of hearing is so sensitive They can detect prey moving several feet away, even if it's completely hidden from view. Fennec foxes are nocturnal, hiding in cool burrows during the day to escape the relentless desert heat. These burrows can be surprisingly complex, with multiple entrances and tunnels that provide safety from predators and a comfortable, cool refuge from the sun. By emerging only at night, they avoid the harshest conditions and conserve precious energy. Their thick, sandy fur reflects sunlight by day and keeps them warm at night, while also camouflaging them from predators. The coloration of their fur blends perfectly with the desert sand, making it difficult for larger animals to spot them. This natural camouflage is essential for both hunting and avoiding danger. Even their paws are adapted, with extra fur for protection against hot sand and better grip for digging. These furry footpads act like built-in sandals, allowing the fennec fox to move quickly across the burning desert surface and dig efficiently for food or to expand their burrows. They rarely need to drink water, getting moisture from their food and producing highly concentrated urine. Their diet includes insects, small mammals, fruits, and even roots, all of which provide the hydration they need. This remarkable ability to survive with minimal water is a key reason they thrive where few other mammals can. Fennec foxes live in small, close-knit family groups, often consisting of a mated pair and their young. They communicate with a range of sounds, from high-pitched barks to soft purrs and growls, helping them coordinate hunting, warn of danger, and strengthen social bonds. Their playful nature is especially evident at dusk, when families emerge to interact and explore together. Despite their size, they're tough, clever, and perfectly equipped for desert life. Their agility and quick reflexes help them evade predators, while their intelligence allows them to solve problems and adapt to changing conditions in their harsh environment. The fennec fox proves you don't have to be big to be a desert survivor. Sometimes giant ears, clever adaptations, and a strong family bond are all you need to thrive in one of the world's toughest habitats. Next, let's slither over to the sidewinder rattlesnake, a master of desert movement. This fascinating creature has adapted to one of the most extreme environments on Earth, showcasing a unique blend of survival strategies and physical adaptations. Instead of moving straight, sidewinders sidewind, touching the hot sand with only 2 points of their body at a time to avoid overheating. This method of locomotion not only helps them stay cool, but also allows them to move quickly and efficiently across loose, shifting sands. Their unique tracks look like a series of J-shaped marks, evidence of their efficient travel. These tracks can be seen etched into the desert landscape, a silent testimony to their presence and their mastery of their environment. Sidewinders are nocturnal, hiding during the day and ambushing prey at night, often buried in the sand with just their eyes and nostrils exposed. This behavior not only protects them from the scorching daytime temperatures, but also allows them to surprise their prey with deadly precision. Their sandy coloration makes them nearly invisible to both prey and predators. This camouflage is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, avoiding detection. The rattle on their tail is a warning, not aggression. "I'm here, don't step on me." This distinctive sound serves as an effective deterrent, alerting larger animals to their presence and preventing accidental encounters. Small horn-like scales above their eyes provide shade and keep sand out. These specialized scales act like built-in sun visors, protecting their eyes from the harsh desert sun and blowing sand. Their venom is potent, allowing them to subdue prey quickly and safely. This venom is a powerful tool, enabling them to take down prey much larger than themselves with minimal effort. They use their forked tongues to taste chemical cues in the air, helping them find food and mates. This sensory adaptation is incredibly effective, allowing them to detect even the faintest traces of scent in the air. The sidewinder is a perfect example of how evolution tailors animals for survival in the harshest places. Every aspect of their biology, from their movement to their sensory adaptations, is fine-tuned to ensure they thrive in the unforgiving desert environment. Now let's meet two armored desert survivors, the scorpion and the thorny devil. Scorpions are ancient arachnids, protected by a tough exoskeleton that prevents water loss and shields them from predators. They can survive extreme heat and cold, and some can go a year without eating. At night, they hunt insects and glow under UV light, a mysterious adaptation scientists are still studying. The thorny devil, an Australian lizard, is covered in spikes for defense and camouflage. Its real superpower, drinking water through its skin. Tiny grooves between its scales channel moisture straight to its mouth. Thorny devils eat thousands of ants daily, getting both food and water from their prey. When threatened, they present a false head to confuse predators. Both creatures show that desert survival requires unique tools, armor, camouflage, and ingenious ways to find water. Let's zoom out. What do all these desert survivors have in common? First, they avoid the worst heat by being nocturnal or hiding underground. Water conservation is key. Camels store it, fennec foxes get it from food, thorny devils drink through their skin. Specialized body features, like camel humps, fennec ears, and sidewinder movement, are all about beating the desert's challenges. Camouflage is essential. Blending in means staying safe. Diet flexibility is crucial. Eat what you can, when you can. Physical protection, like scorpion armor and thorny devil spikes, shields them from both predators and the environment. Some adaptations are invisible, like the camel's unique blood cells or the fennec's efficient kidneys. Clever behaviors, digging burrows, hunting at night, living in groups, make all the difference. Each animal is a specialist, perfectly tuned to its environment. Together, they show us that survival in the desert is a mix of timing, efficiency, adaptation, and ingenuity. What an adventure! From camels to fennec foxes and thorny devils, these animals are true desert champions. They don't just survive, they master the extremes. Each has its own superpowers, proving that life can flourish anywhere with the right adaptations. The desert is a vibrant world, full of secrets and wonders. I hope you're inspired by these incredible survivors. Stay curious and keep exploring the wild with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal adventures. See you next time.